Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat. My boyfriend ordered me like $300 worth of Bath and Body. Can you believe it? And I don't know what it is. He's trying to surprise me. I don't even know if he knows what scents I really like, but we'll see. So, I got my scissors. I'm ready. Look at this box. Look at how huge box, right? Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, and my girlfriend, Work It Mama, she loves when I unbox stuff. So this is for you, honey. I hope you enjoy watching this. I can't get into this box. I am so excited. I have no idea. Like, it came a week ago and I'm like, what is this box? And he said, I got you some stuff from Bath and Body. I said, I didn't know you were ordering anything. Like, how do you know what I like? He goes, I know what you like. Whew, that box is actually bigger than what I expected for what I can see in here. Okay, so I don't even know, but there's like a ton of stuff in here, you guys. Okay, so You're Magical. A soap pump. And it's, what is Your Magical? What is that scent supposed to be? Oh, sugared vanilla and juicy passion fruit. So that's the scent of that one. Oh, and he got me 2 of those. Oh, unicorn milkshake. Duh. That's what it says. Unicorn milkshake, you guys. Oh my gosh. I don't even know these, so I'm like so confused. And then this one is blueberry crumble. How fun is that? Fresh blueberries, brown sugar glaze, dash of cinnamon. And that's supposed to be the notes of this one. How fun. All right. Next one, pink petal tea cake. Pink rose petals, pound cake, and vanilla glaze. It's hard to read what it is because it's on a clear, you know, the soap is in there, so it's hard to read that. But this is what it looks like. Cute packaging, right? I really like that. Oh, I'm so excited. Woohoo! Okay, next. Oh, this used to be my favorite. Sun-Ripe Raspberry. You guys, I used to love this. This used to be my favorite scent. Oh, I thought I squirted some out. This still is. Oh, I love this. Thanks, honey. Oh, but this is my all-time go-to summer scent, Sweet Pea. This is my go-to scent. I love this, love this, love this. So this is my summer. And he got me, oh my gosh, 3 of these. 3 of the Sweet Peas. Woohoo! I am so excited. Okay, there's so much stuff in here. Ooh, watermelon lemonade, the spray. So there's that one. I like that spray. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. Oh, and he got me some new plugs. This one's a nightlight. I don't even know if he knows that. It's kind of a nice design, right? The silver and the white. Ooh, it's big. Like, it's bigger than the little tulips or the tops of what the old Bath and Body used to be. The plugs, you know. Oh, and then I got another one. Oh, it's marble. It's like a faux marble. That is nice. Good job, honey. And this one's not a nightlight. Okay, so far, he's probably getting tired of me complaining about it. Oh, Georgia Peach. 2 refills. I don't know if I've ever smelled Georgia Peach. But that's okay. I'm sure it's very springy. Fresh cut lilac. Okay. He's really getting flowery. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Ooh, sparkling limoncello. This is nice. Oh gosh, that's nice. I forget how nice that lemon scent is until you actually get it. Ooh. Oh yeah. my honey's doing a pretty good job. Oh, what's this? Rose water and ivy for the car. Do any of you have any of these? I love these. I have two in my car, like two of the actual plugs. And I have one in the front and one in the back vent. I love these. I think my most favorite one, though, is sweet pea. And then there's a fall one, like apple and cupcake or something is one of my favorites for the fall. Okay. All right. What else? Oh, I got another one of these. Another marble one, you guys. Can you see the marble? This one's not as prominent as the other one. Okay. Oh, gosh, these are all undone, too. This is the Kitchen Lemon. A double pack of that. Love this. I have this in the bedroom upstairs right now. In my bedroom, I have I think I have limoncello in my bedroom. In the spare bedroom, I have key lime. I really like that one. Okay. Oh my gosh. Another plug. And it's the marble kind. How much are these? Ooh, $10.50 for a plug. These are more expensive. What are the other ones? $4? Ooh, he spent a lot of money on this. Ooh, and another soap. Ooh, another pink petal tea cake. I can't wait to use this. I'm curious to see what it smells like. Oh, he got me a car one. Another car plug thing. These don't go bad like those, you know, because they're not actually plugged into an outlet, but that's nice. Ooh, my honey. You know, I'm really shocked at him. Oh, he got me my favorite plug. Sweet pea. Good job, honey. Oh my God, this stuff. Oh, sorry. It's like my box is sliding. Ah. So, oh, he got me. Oh, stuff is falling out. Okay. So, in this one, it's 2 key lime pies. You guys, this scent is so nice. And it really does smell like that. I am really shocked how good it smells. And then, what is this one? The cover, the little thing came off. Oh, Hot Fudge Sundae. Have you guys smelled that one? I am curious. The little thing came off. I am curious to see what that one smells like. Hot Fudge Sundae. That must have been in there. Oh, Winter Candy Apple. Oh, they still have that, huh? Okay, so that's that one. All right. Oh, jeez. So he got me sweet pea, Georgia peach, white caramel cold brew, and another white caramel cold brew. Huh. And there they are. That's really new. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, that's that. That's it. That was really fun. Oh, I got a receipt. Something. Oh, he probably doesn't want me to know. Okay, so Unicorn Milkshake. The soap was $4.34. Blueberry Crumble Candle was $4.34. The dogs are kind of busy over there. Choppy's looking for something. Shine On Nightlight. One of those was $9.90. Pink Petal Tea Cake Gentle Foaming. I got 2 of those, and those were for $4.34 each. And then another fake marble wallflower. 3 of those, and each one was $9.90. God, this stuff adds up quick, doesn't it? And then the sweet pea wallflower fragrance at one of those is $4.34, and a sweet pea car. Oh no! Sweet pea wallflower fragrance is just $4.34, and then a sweet pea car refill is $3.30, and then the Georgia peach is $4.34. A sweet pea ultra shea moisturizer. Those 3 of those. That must have been a deal, because that must have been like Oh, they were 12 something a piece, and they were $38.19. And then the Kitchen Lemon Wallflower was $8.49, and that's that double pack. The Georgia Peach double pack, $8.49, and the Wallflower, the Watermelon Lemonade spray was $7. And then the car vent clip was $5.19. The fresh cut lilacs, you know, the plug-ins, that was $8.48. Sparkling limoncello lotion. It doesn't have a price. That was free. He got a deal on that. And then the white caramel cold brew wallflower, 2 of them, each of them was $4.34. Sun-ripe raspberry, there's no price. That one was free. Key lime pie, that was $4.34. And rosewater ivy car refill, that was $3.30. So he spent a lot of money. Wow. Thank you, honey. Hold on. Chopkin. Come here, Chops. Sorry, guys. So he really spent some good money, and he did a really good job. I'm really surprised. I didn't think he really knew what I liked, or that he paid attention that much. You guys, thanks for coming and checking out my unboxing of what my honey bought me. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not new, I'm glad you came back. You guys, I'm going to be doing my giveaway. And do you remember what it is? It's the purse organizer. So I think I'm either going to do it this Saturday. Oh, and this Saturday I'm doing my Easter and Spring home tour. So don't miss it. Please watch, because then you'll get the details on how to win the purse organizer, and you get to watch my spring home tour. Okay, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up so YouTube can circulate the video. And as always, you guys, thank you for coming over to my channel and watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, bye-bye.
Deep end, we're alive, living life underwater. Let's